Here we are with our Tautai Fale-Ship hats on, and we're going to talk about your fellowship, to tell us about your creative process during the Tulsai Residency.
Well, the difference between my usual workflow and what I've been able to do through the fellowship is that I've had a little bit of a budget to be able to get some consultation from people like pattern makers and other designers that have been able to kind of show me things that I've been kind of just muddling along and making up as I go along. So it's been really amazing being able to talk to other people, ask questions, get definite like industry standard answers on what everything I'm doing is supposed to look like. That means I got to send my things to a factory in Auckland and get them to cut and make it for me, which was amazing because I cut and make everything myself with a whole, like every order, everything for the whole brand. So outsourcing that has been incredible. It feels like I'm cheating almost, like I can't just get someone else to do all of that, surely. But yeah, I did. It's amazing.
Yeah, well, that's sort of, after a while, it's just not sustainable. And if you you need to grow in terms of sort of, with orders and deliveries, yeah, it's definitely can't have you sewing 24/7 every day.
No, that's not sustainable.
Oh, here's a classic. Okay, who or what is inspiring you right now?
Well, I've just moved into Avondale, and that is extremely inspiring to me because I've been living and working in St. Mary's Bay, and that's a very different environment. Avondale is so full of life and beauty, and it's just amazing. And I'm sharing my space, my studio, with Moana Fresh. So Ahi Lapa Lapa and Mila started that, and it's selling Pacific art, and it's so cool, and I love what they're doing, and I get so much energy off them and what they're doing, and it's just really helping me with my brand and where I want to take it in the future.
Oh, yeah. What's one word that describes your work?
That is a really hard question. If I was to describe my work, I think, and with one word, I think it would be simple. And I know that the word simple could probably be taken as a bad thing, but I think it's a really good, powerful thing, and just still look really stunning. And I really like just kind of creating something that can just sit around you instead of like being all this busy. I mean, I'm wearing a busy design right now, but being like busy, cutting across here, all of that stuff. I'm quite into just peeling it back, stripping it back, and making it nice and simple.
Is there anything else you would like to say?
I guess, yeah, just keep going. Everyone that's not sure right now, just keep going.
Yeah, if you're moving in the right direction, all you have to do is keep walking.